What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix always on display not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all check if you have enabled it or not. So to check that, open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on wallpaper and personalization. Now tap on always on display and here you will see a on off button on the top. So tap on this button to turn it on to use always on display. Now after turning on this button, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe this circle downside, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the always on display issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration, and then scroll down and tap on do not disturb. Now here in do not disturb, if you have enabled this do not disturb button, then you may not be able to use always on display. So to use always on display screen, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off do not disturb, you will start using always on display. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for the software updates for your phone. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on about phone. Now tap on this software version and then it will automatically check for new updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software, the always on display not working issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the always on display not working on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.